Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the deletion process, let's briefly talk about why this is even a topic worth discussing. In an age where our lives are increasingly intertwined with online services, understanding how to manage and, crucially, how to remove our data is more important than ever. Every account you create, every piece of information you share, contributes to your digital footprint. And while many services offer incredible value, there comes a time when some of them no longer serve your needs. Leaving dormant accounts active can pose potential security risks, and let's be honest, it's just good digital hygiene to regularly review and prune your online presence. So, you've decided Overpass is no longer for you. Perhaps you found a different platform for your remote sales and support needs, or your business model shifted, making Overpass irrelevant. Whatever the catalyst, the desire to delete your account is a valid one. Now, let's get to the core of it: how to actually delete your Overpass account. Unlike some platforms that have a prominent delete account option buried deep in the settings, Overpass, according to their terms of service, primarily handles account unregistration through a direct communication channel. This means you won't typically find a self-service button to instantly erase your profile. The most direct and effective method for deleting your Overpass account is to contact their support team directly via email. Their terms of service explicitly state that you may contact Overpass at any time at help@overpass.com to request Overpass to unregister your account, or Overpass may choose to provide users with the ability to unregister their user accounts online. While the latter part suggests they might offer an online option, the consistent and guaranteed route is through email. So, what should your email contain to ensure a smooth and successful deletion request? Here's a breakdown of the essential information. Firstly, and perhaps most importantly, use a clear and concise subject line. Something like account deletion request, your username/email, works perfectly. This immediately signals the purpose of your email to their support team, ensuring it's routed to the correct department and handled efficiently. Next, within the body of your email, you need to provide enough information for Overpass to identify your account. This typically includes your registered email address. This is crucial as it's usually the primary identifier for your account. Your username, if applicable, if you have a specific username associated with your Overpass account, include it. Your full name, the name associated with your account at the time of registration. A clear statement of your intent. Explicitly state that you wish to have your Overpass account, along with all associated data, permanently deleted from their system. Be unambiguous. Optional. A brief reason for deletion. While not mandatory, providing a reason can sometimes be helpful for their internal analytics, and it doesn't hurt to offer one. It could be as simple as, "I no longer require the service," or "My business needs have changed." Here's a template you can adapt. Subject: account deletion request. Your registered email address. Dear Overpass support team, I am writing to formally request the permanent deletion of my Overpass account and all associated personal data from your system. My account is registered under the following details. Email address. Your registered email address. Username, if applicable, your username. Full name, your full name. I no longer require the use of your services and wish to fully unregister my account. Please confirm once the deletion process has been completed. Thank you for your assistance. Sincerely, your name. After sending this email, what should you expect? Overpass, like many companies, will likely have a process in place to verify your identity before proceeding with the deletion. This is a security measure to ensure that no unauthorized person can delete your account. They may respond requesting additional information to confirm you are the legitimate account holder. This could include asking for a recent activity detail, a specific piece of information from your profile, or even sending a verification link to your registered email. Be prepared to respond to these requests promptly and accurately. The processing time for account deletion can vary. While some companies might action it within a few business days, others might take longer, potentially up to a week or even more, depending on their internal procedures and the volume of requests. Their privacy policy mentions that they are committed to maintaining user privacy and that you can request the deletion of all personal information they have about you at any time. This aligns with data protection regulations such as GDPR, which grant users the right to erasure. It's also worth noting that once your account is deleted, the content you have posted might, in some cases, remain on the site indefinitely, as stated in some terms of use. However, your personal identifying information should be removed. Always read the specific terms of service and privacy policy for the most up-to-date information on data retention after account termination. The key here is that your direct association with that content, your user account, is severed. Another important point to consider is any outstanding obligations. If you had any active contracts, pending payments, or outstanding invoices with overpass, make sure these are resolved before initiating the deletion process. While their terms of service mention that you may be responsible for fulfilling any outstanding payment obligations, it's always best to clear these up proactively to avoid any complications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.